It's so many people having activity, joining the um a kilometers one in Makati. Look, Makati or Taguig BGC is many buildings, high-rise buildings, and every Saturday and Sunday have activity. Right now, they are joining one activity. Oh, did you see that? 1,000 of Filipino people have joining one. Many people. Every Saturday and Sunday. And today is Sunday.